The Lok Sabha is holding a full-day discussion on the goods and services tax, the biggest tax reform today. The government had on Monday tabled 4 bills: the compensation law, the central GST or CGST, integrated GST or IGST, and union territory GST or UTGST, aimed at rolling out the much-awaited reform in the Lok Sabha. The reform will subsume a host of taxes such as central and state taxes like excise duty, service tax and VAT, and local taxes to make a single market, helping seamless movement of goods and rendering of services across the country.
The final lap for implementation of country's biggest tax reform, the GST, has begun. Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley initiated a discussion on GST bill in the Lok Sabha. Initiating the discussion, Jaitley said that states will have the right to pass legislation regarding the GST, thus maintaining the federal structure. He said that GST Council is India's first federal institution where states have pooled in their sovereignty and centre has done the same.
GST Council is India's first federal institution where sovereignty of the centre and the states in relation to indirect taxes has been pooled together in a federal institution. Now, to create India's first federal institution, it is incumbent on all of us to make sure that this federal institution works.
Union Finance Minister also briefed the House about the significance of the GST.
एक बार ये टैक्स लागू हो जाता है तो जब जितने भी गुड्स हैं, सर्विसेज हैं, पूरे देश के अंदर उनका मूवमेंट हो पाएगा, पूरे देश में एक जैसी टैक्स प्रणाली होगी, एक असेसी का केवल इंटरफेस एक असेसिंग अथॉरिटी के साथ होगा और जो उसमें से टैक्स निकलेगा वो केंद्र और राज्य अपने आप में बांट लेंगे.
GST will turn India into one common market, leading to a greater ease of doing business and big savings in logistical costs from companies across all sectors. The current indirect tax structure is a major impediment in India's economic growth and competitiveness. Tax barriers in form of CST, entry tax, and restricted input tax credit have fragmented the Indian market. GST will facilitate ease of doing business in India. Integration of existing multiple taxes into single GST will significantly reduce cost of tax compliance and transaction cost. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on Monday introduced 4 crucial goods and services tax GST bills in the Lok Sabha, which will pave the way for implementation of the GST from 1st of July. The government needs to ensure that these bills are approved by Parliament in the current budget session to be able to meet the 1st July deadline for the launch of GST. So what are these 4 GST bills? GST Compensation to States Bill 2017 provides for a mechanism for making good any loss of revenue of states from introduction of GST in the first 5 years of rollout. As a part of compensation law, states will receive provisional compensation from centre for loss of revenue from implementation of GST every quarter. Central Goods and Services Tax or CGST bill will amalgamate all indirect central government levies like sale tax, services tax, excise tax, additional customs tax, special additional duty of customs, surcharge and cesses. CGST provides for a maximum tax of 20%. SGST is similar to CGST, but it will be levied by states through a separate state GST law. Integrated GST bill to be levied and collected by centre on interstate supply of goods and services. The IGST law provides for a maximum tax of 40%. There will be 4 slab structure, 5, 12, 18 and 28% along with a cess on luxury and sin goods. A panel of states and the centre is working to classify the goods and services according to this slab structure. Bureau Report, DD News.